know. Are you videotaping?
What do you think of the boat ride, girls?
What are they doing down there? Can I see down there? Here we go.
Oh, can you see the baby?
Where are we here?
She likes the bumps.
There she is.
Hi, Natalie.
Clark, where are we?
I don't have a clue.
He's driving.
Let's see, are we
East Bay or
East
West Bay?
or West Bay? By golly, we're on the main bay.
Oh, Bay.
A lot of water out there.
Okay, ready? Where are we, Mary Beth?
I have new sunglasses on the Great Lake of Michigan.
Who are we with?
Clark/Paul. And his lovely family, of course.
And what's today's date?
July 3rd? 2. Oh, well, we're on vacation.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
My favorite song comes on now.
See, that's their ladder.
Come on.
Lindsay, get that!
I'll get it.
Oh my god, that is
That was she. Did you get that?
I think they're going. I don't think she would really do it.
She jumped. She jumped. She was brave, and then she ran back very fast.
If we
Clark's
jump
in
right
What's
here,
where you going, honey?
if we jump right here, it will be cool.
No.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Clark did it.
Hey, lover boy, how is it?
Is it a
It's
little chilly?
great. It is so refreshing.
Yeah, I bet.
Ha!
Ah,
Ha!
ah.
When's she coming? Is it cold?
Oh, not one bit.
Oh yeah, I feel this.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Tori.
How cold are your hands?
Jump away from the engine if you
Don't jump right there.
jump away from the engine.
Go over. Go over that way. No, Tori. I can't.
It'd be much.
Get it. Get it.
Do it, Lindsay. Go get it.
Go, Lindsay, go get it.
Get it.
Hurry up
Get
before.
it.
Woohoo!
Yay.
Woohoo!
I'm coming in.
Good job.
Can you catch me?
Yeah, jump to me.
I can't get this
Come on.
thing.
Lindsay's underwater. Oh.
Come on.
How was it, honey?
Lindsay, are you okay?
She's fine.
Jump on in.
Yeah.
Hey, Clark.
So kind of.
There you go. Thanks, Tori. Tori.
Come on. It's a little cold, she says, Lou.
I think the words were very cold.
What do you think, Lindsay?
Very cold. Wait.
This is much
Can I have the
quite
other noodle,
refreshing,
please?
though, isn't it, compared to that Gulf
Where
of
is it?
Mexico?
What's the Gulf of Mexico?
That's
See?
a place where they have some heat.
It's very cold.
That's-
I like warm better than cold.
Here you go.
Thanks. Ready?
On your mark. Get
Come on.
set.
As two.
Go.
I'm jumping over. Set.
Go. 3, 2, 1.
Lift off. How you doing,
How can
Lindsay?
you see this water?
Lindsay, now wasn't that refreshing?
No.
Yeah,
Much better than the Gulf of Mexico.
I think I like the Gulf of Mexico better. Except for the water.
You a little cold? Are you a little cold, Tori?